morning, everyone. Good morning, hello. We are officially in spring. Yes, spring. We have just said bye-bye, winter, and hello, spring. Hello, spring. Finally, okay? Now, what happens in spring? Nature, see, birds sing, flowers bloom, just whole nature wakes up from a very long winter sleep, see, animals like the bear wake up too. Yes, animals wake up too. Flowers, look, everything is full of flowers. See how the trees have all these very colorful flowers. We see the animals. That go in the nature looking for food. Everything is green, colorful, beautiful. Okay, see? All the birds fly. It's also a little windy. Yes, it's also a little windy. Sunny, and also cloudy. Okay, so it's partly cloudy. The weather during our spring, it's partly cloudy, see? The clouds, the sun, and also some rain too, okay? See? The snow is melting. Bye-bye, snow. Okay? See, this is waterfall. See how beautiful that is, see? Nature is very beautiful. Okay, now, okay guys, who is this? This is our snowman. Yes, very good, our snowman. Okay, this is our snowman, and our snowman is going bye-bye, but now our snowman can see the spring. See the spring. Okay. Now, snowman, what do you see? I see raindrops falling down. See? Raindrops. These are raindrops because during spring, it rains often. Okay, let's see. Snowman, what do you see? I see a rainbow in the sky. See? A rainbow in the sky. Very good, very colorful rainbow. See? The snowman sees a rainbow because after the rain comes out the rainbow comes out. Okay. Snowman, what do you see? I see sunshine on the trees. See? Sunshine on the trees. Yes, sunshine. Now, snowman, what do you see? I see robins build a nest. See the birdie, the robin is building a nest. See, chirp. Okay. Now let's see. Wow, snowman, What do you see? I see bunnies. Take a rest. Yes, they're taking a rest. See the bunnies? Oh, they're so cute. What color are these bunnies? These are white bunnies, see? And they're resting. How cute. Okay. Who are these? Oh my. Snowman, snowman. What do you see? I see. What does he see? Ladybugs, snails, and bees. Wow. Ladybugs, snails, and bees. Bzz, bzz, bzz. Okay, let's see what else does the snowman see. Snowman, snowman, what do you see? I see squirrels running on the ground. See? They're running. Run, 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 run. Because the squirrels, during the winter, they were sleeping. Yes, our squirrels were sleeping. Yes, yes. They were sleeping. See? Here we are. They're sleeping. Okay. Now, let's see what the snowman sees. Snowman, snowman, what do you see? I see. Okay, so what does the snowman see? He sees pinwheels go round and round and round. Wow. Snowman, snowman. Snowman, snowman, what do you see? I see flowers. See flowers? They're so beautiful. And trees. These are trees. And butterflies. See the butterflies with their many colorful colors. That's what I see. Yes. See the beautiful flowers. Happy spring. So we say, hello, spring. Okay, guys. Now, today is the day against racism. No racism. What does this mean? What does it mean? It means that everyone is the same. We are all the same, boys, girls, it doesn't matter. Our skin color doesn't matter if it's white, brown, black, okay? It doesn't matter. We're all the same. As we will see in this song, okay? Let's hear this song, okay? As a matter of fact, see? Okay, let's see the song. We are one.
Come together, 1, 2, 3. Let's hold hands, yes, you and me. You might see a different face. That's why we can celebrate. We are one. Let's get it on. Join together, come and sing.
See? We are all the same. Brown, black, pink. Everyone is the same. Yes, we are all the same. See? See? We're all different colors, but we are all the same.
Come together, 1, 2, 3. Let's all play happily. smiling, dancing joyfully.
See?
Togetherness is what
Here
we see.
is a perfect example. We all need to be together. We need to hold hands
Joy together, come and sing our
because
favorite
we
song.
are all beautiful.
Let's get along. Singing with each other makes us belong. Join together, let's all come together, we can make a start. Meeting out is such great fun, playing, laughing with everyone. It doesn't matter what face you see. Come on everybody, you're the same as we are one.
Okay? It doesn't matter what face or what color we have. We are all the same. All together, we have to be. See? All different colors. See? Black, white, brown. Everyone is the same. We are all the same. We are one.
Join together, come let's sing our favorite song. Let's get
One.
along.
Okay? One.
Singing with each other,
We are
makes
all
us belong.
one.
Together, Sama,
Together.
Pamoja. Together.
Okay. Together, we all together can change the future. Okay? This is very, very important because our face, our skin can be different colors as we saw. Brown, pink, white, black. But we are all the same. We are all one person, okay? Together. Together, we can change the future. Okay, guys. Now, today we will read this book, which is called Happy in Our Skin. See? Here we have boys and girls with different colors of skins. Different color skins. White, brown, white. See? All different colors. Okay, let's start reading. See? Everyone different. Everyone together. Okay? Fran Manishkin. See? All these different colors. Okay. Look at you. You look so cute in your brand new birthday suit. This is how we all began. And happy in our skin. See? They're happy in their skins. Yes. Bouquets of babies. Sweet to hold cocoa brown, cinnamon, and honey gold. Ginger-colored babies, peaches and cream too. Splendid skin for me and splendid skin for you. See, look at all these babies. They're all different colors. It's terrific to have skin. It keeps the outsides and your insides in. As you keep growing, your skin grows too. Clever skin for me and clever skin for you. Whoops! When you fall, your skin will heal with this scab. A perfect seal. See? She fell down. Oh no. Sometimes skin has freckles or birthmarks. See? Freckles or birthmarks, but everyone, we get a tan when it's sunny and when it's freezing. See? They're all playing together. It's delightful to hug and tickle and wrestle. Get a scratch when we itch and hold hands. skin covers us from head to toe.